back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing cornflake chicken with a really nice mustard maple mayo. Really easy to do. Well, let's just get on with that. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is make up my mayo. So I've got a tablespoon's worth of Dijon mustard. Let's put that into a bowl just like that. Okay, and this is a real quick, easy little sauce to make. 2 tablespoons worth of maple syrup, right, and I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons worth of store-bought pre-prepared mayonnaise. Use a mayonnaise that you like. Try and get a nice eggy mayonnaise, and we'll make this nice and sweet and a little bit spicy with the mustard. If you want to use a different type of mustard that you prefer, go for it. I'm not going to stop you doing that. Alright, with a nice little whisk, we're going to give that a good stir, just like that, and before you know it, our sauce will be done. Put that in the refrigerator until we are ready to serve. Okay, so we're going to make up a really quick slaw. I've just gone to the supermarket, bought a 250 gram packet of pre-made slaw mix, right, just dried slaw, and I'm just going to go a little bit of salt, probably about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons worth over that. I like mine a little saltier. I'll leave that up to you, and once again mix that through just like that. Get that salt all incorporated into all those little bits of the slaw. This is just this basic red cabbage and carrot slaw. Right, really simple. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. Now it's time to make up our crumb. Now what you need to do is get 6 cups worth of cornflakes and put them into a food processor. Now when you're doing that, make sure you get it all over the bench, otherwise you are not doing it right. I ended up getting Mrs. KP to help me with my MS, my uncoordination that it gives me, to help me get this into the food processor. And all we have to do now is simply blitz that up. I'm going to have to do this in a few batches. I could have got the big one out. I'm just going to do it in my little $29 Contempo food processor. I'm just going to blitz that up and make a crumb out of those cornflakes. And if you haven't tried making a crumb out of cornflakes before, wow, it does give you a very different crunchy texture and a really nice flavor. Alright, and this is actually a low sugar cornflake, so it's not going to be too sweet. So just do that in batches. Make sure we get up to 6 cups worth of cornflake. We're going to make up this cornflake crumb. Some are going to be coarse, some are going to be fine, and that is perfect. It's exactly what we want to do. Once we've got all that, give that a bit of a mix through, so we've got a nice mixture of coarse, fine and medium crumbs together. I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons worth of salt, teaspoons worth of black pepper, teaspoons worth of white pepper, and if you want a full list of the ingredients, it will be at the end of the video. I'm also going to add in about tablespoons worth of, maybe 2 tablespoons worth of Italian herbs. This one's already got chili in it. If you want to add chili to make it a little bit spicier, go for it. Tablespoons worth of garlic powder and about tablespoons worth of onion powder. Alright, just put all of that straight into your crumb. That is going to be our seasoning and our crumb for these particular little morsels of chicken, which are just amazing. Right, so just give that, as I said, a quick stir. Make sure all those spices and seasonings get incorporated. And here I've got about 3 beaten eggs. If you need more, just add another one. Put a full chicken thigh in. I'm using a kilo of chicken thighs today. I'm going to make up a nice big batch of these. So I dip it into the egg and then dip that into my cornflake spiced crumb. And as you can see, I'm using a skewer. It makes things a little bit easier. All you have to do is pick up the chicken with the skewer, put it into the egg, put it into the crumb and crumb it, and that way you don't end up with all this gunk all over your fingers. So just continue going on with the rest of your chicken, and I'm arranging these on an oven tray. Now you can actually do these in the air fryer, they work out fantastic, but the oven will also do an amazing job. Cook those off at about 185 degrees for about 30 minutes. Give them a bit of a spray with some spray oil, just like that. Okay, and if you wanted to, you could even shallow fry these. That would actually work as well, but we're trying to be a little bit healthier here today. Right, off they go into the oven around about 30, maybe 35 minutes. Let's finish off our slaw. I'm just going to do this a really easy way. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of vegetable oil. You could use olive oil, peanut oil, whatever oil you like, and about twice as much of that again of vinegar. I'm using a white vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you like, whether it be a sherry vinegar, malt vinegar, apple cider, whatever vinegar that you like. This is just a quick little slaw to go through and go with our beautiful little cornflake chicken. I've also got some potatoes in the oven. I've had those roasting off for about an hour and a half. Give those a little bit of a slicey slice, just like that. Give it a bit of a smush down, and I'm going to go very, very simple today with the potato. I'm just going to add a little knob of butter, a little bit of salt at the end, put our slaw straight down on top of our plate, just like that. Okay, and all we have to do now is just add our cornflake chicken, and how golden and beautiful do they look. The beautiful crunch and beautiful flavor with all that seasoning that we put in. But serve that up on a plate, and the last thing we need to do is just put a little bit of our sauce over to the side of our plate, and there you go. You've got KP's cornflake chicken with a mustard maple mayo. How easy was that to do? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading it. Love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make really easy, quick and inexpensive meals just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my cornflake chicken with my mustard maple mayo, and I will catch you next time. Bye.